Today you will learn how to make YouTube thumbnails for free. In your browser type photop.com and then press enter. Select new project and then select YouTube thumbnail option. Here you can see a list of the available thumbnails. Now from the list, select any one thumbnail that you like. Don't worry, you can change the colors and images later. Now double click on the thumbnail. As you can see, the thumbnail is open in Photop interface. You can see the 4 different layers of the thumbnail that contains all the materials of the selected thumbnail. To edit the text, first select the text layer and then double click on the text and then add your desired text. Same, you can repeat with the other text layer. To increase the text size, select and drag from any corner and keep holding Shift key. To move the text, simply select the text and drag it and place where you want. For other changing, double click on the text layer and then you can add drop shadow, change text color, add stroke to the text. You can also hide any layer if you don't need that text or anything available on the thumbnail. To save the thumbnail, go to File, Export As, and then select PNG or JPG. Add the name of thumbnail and click Save. The image is downloaded and you can preview it and use it as a thumbnail for your video. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, tell us in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this.